Hello, and welcome to 5 Minutes About Pulsar. My name is George Trujillo, and I'm on the streaming team at DataStax. After this discussion on why choose Pulsar, you'll have a better understanding of how new market demands are driving reevaluations of real-time data streaming platforms. I will also share a macro view of Apache Pulsar's business value proposition. If you currently don't have a deployment of Pulsar ready to go, you can go to this URL and get a free Pulsar instance up and running. If you have any questions about today's video, you can email us at pulsarquestions@datastax.com. That will reach the team at DataStax. We'll be happy to answer any questions you may have. So why are more and more companies reevaluating their real-time streaming strategy and then looking at Pulsar? And why now? The capabilities of emerging technologies around intelligent IoT devices, smart cities, multi-edge computing, augmented and virtual reality, fraud, increasing ML and AI requirements, along with the continued adoption of 5G, are globally going to require millions of new data pipelines. This has data-driven organizations looking at how their real-time technology stack is going to meet the needs of the business roadmap. Here are some examples of industry growth and the increasing business demands for real-time data that are driving real-time technology stack reevaluations. 16 zettabytes to 160 zettabytes is the daily worldwide growth rate expected by 2025. 26.5 is the projected CAGR, or compound annual growth rate, for the global streaming market, along with a 26.4 projected CAGR for the global IoT market. 50% of new business data in 2022 is expected to be real-time, and a projected 50+ million digital apps will be deployed by 2023 that will be feeding real-time or high-velocity data. It's definitely a good time to be a data engineer, architect, or practitioner around real-time data. Let's look at how capabilities of a streaming platform align with meeting future requirements from the business. I am going to highlight 10 business value considerations of Apache Pulsar that drive business success. Use cases. Pulsar supports an extremely wide variety of pub/sub, queuing, and streaming use cases. One of the key growth areas of Pulsar is replacing legacy queuing systems. Interoperability. With existing messaging and queuing platforms like Kafka, JMS, and RabbitMQ, interoperability makes it easy to introduce Pulsar into your ecosystem with no disruption. Multi-cloud. Executing a multi-cloud strategy, or ensuring the data technology stack can grow across multiple clouds and regions, is part of most data modernization strategies. Elasticity. Pulsar's distributed architecture that separates compute and storage provides seamless elasticity for data workflows. Architecture. A key value proposition that customers highlight is how Pulsar's architecture delivers performance at scale. Multi-tenancy allows new initiatives and lines of business to leverage existing Pulsar clusters in a secure and self-contained environment. This avoids proliferation of clusters. Consistent innovation for expanding business requirements is a necessary part of the data culture around real-time data. Apache Pulsar promotes a strong open source approach that aligns extremely well with other open source projects like Apache Cassandra. With the mounting pressures to deliver business results, minds of business need to be empowered to innovate easily with downstream data. Pulsar functions are ideal for this data empowerment. Cloud native. Apache Pulsar is a cloud-native solution that facilitates DevOps, unit testing, CI/CD, containers that leverage cloud-native development and deployment of Pulsar solutions. Kubernetes is the glue for deploying digital applications and high-growth apps that generate real-time data streams. Apache Pulsar is a first-class citizen with Kubernetes that helps coordinate applications and real-time streams. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please click the like button. This will make it easier for other people to find this video and continue to grow the Pulsar community. If you have any questions or feedback, you can leave a comment below or email us at pulsarquestions@datastax.com. And thank you for watching.